Good morning, my students. Today we will solve our practice book page 64, questions 4, 5, and 7. As per your request, because I received requests from the students that they want me to solve question 4, 5, and 7 in our practice book. So I will solve these questions today. Before I will solve the questions, we will revise what we took before that. We said that this is the xy coordinates, this is the horizontal axis, x-axis, and the vertical axis is the y axis, and 0 is the origin. Okay, and we said that we have 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, and this is the second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. We said that any point lies in the first quadrant, that any point lies here, that the x coordinate for this point is positive, and the second coordinate for this and the y coordinate for this point is also positive. So this is quadrant 1. And the second quadrant here, this is quadrant 2. Any point lies in this quadrant, the x coordinate for that point is negative, and the y coordinate for this point is positive. And any point lies in the third quadrant, here quadrant 3, the x coordinate for this point is negative, and the y coordinates for this point is negative also. And quadrant 4, okay, the x coordinates for the x coordinates for any point lies here is positive, and the y coordinates is negative. And we said that this is the vertical line. This vertical line is called y axis, and the horizontal line is called x axis, correct? So we said also the intersection of these two lines, this point is called origin. 0, the coordinates for this point is 0 and 0, and you can call this point is the origin, is the intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let's start. So let's start our question here. Question 4. And also we forget to say that if we want to plot any point here, if we want to plot any point first, we will start with the x coordinates. We will go right or left. Then we will go for the y coordinates and we'll go up or down. Let's see here the question 4, and we will solve together. And we will solve together. Okay. Question 4. Let's read together the question. Okay. Draw a coordinate grid and mark these points. Draw a coordinate grid and mark these points. Okay. He wants me to plot these points. 4 of the points are in a straight line, which is the odd one out. Okay. So first we have to plot the points. Okay. Let's go together and plot the points. Okay. Okay. The first point is A is 5 and 2. A is 5 and 2. The second point is B, point B, -3, -2. The third point is C, 1 and 0. Point D, -2 and 4. Point E, -5 and -3. -5 and -3. Okay, so let's start to plot the points together here. So the first point, we said before, any point, this is the order pair. We said that the first number refers to x coordinates, and the second point, the second number refers to y coordinates. And we said also before in the previous videos that if we want to plot any point, first we will start with x, we will go right or left, and then we will go up or down. Then we will go up or down with the y coordinates. First we will go right or left. We have here x equals to 5. Excellent. So we will go on the x-axis. We will go right or left. We have x equal 5. So here, then y equals to 2. We will go up or down. Yes, I hear somebody says up. Why? Because the y coordinates is positive number. So we will go up till y equals to 2. This is the first point A. The first point A. The second point is -3, so the x coordinate is -3. So we will go right or left? Yes, left, because the x coordinate is negative. Then the y also negative, so the point lies in the third quadrant, and we will go down till y equals to -2. So I'll write here B, point B. Okay. Point C, 1 and 0. So we will go on the x-axis first, right or left first, 1 and 0. So we will stay, we will not go up or down because y equals to 0. So we will stay here on the line. This is point C. Okay. Question D, -2 and 4. -2. Where's x equals to negative? We will start with x. X equals to -2 and 4. We will go up till 4. This is point D. And the last point is -5 and -3. So we will go on the x-axis first. We'll start -5 and -3. Will go down because y is negative. So I will plot the point E. Okay. The second, so we first plotting, he said, draw a coordinate grid and mark these points. We finished already. 4 of the points are in a straight line. It's obvious here that A, the points A, C, B, and E lies on a straight line. He said, just a second. He said, which is the odd one out? It's obvious that D is out, but we will see here that we will draw a line, go through these points. Okay, please use a ruler. Please use a ruler. Yes, correct. So he said, which is the odd one? So of course, point, we will write point D is out, is the odd one out. Okay, let's go for next question. Let's go for next question. Question D5. Question 5. Okay, just I will erase so we can solve. Okay. Now, okay. Question 5. The points -3 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and -2 are three corners of a square. So let's write the points here so it will be easy for us to plot. So -3 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and -2. Okay. He said that these points are three corners of a square. Work out the coordinates of the fourth corner of the square. Find the coordinates of the center. Okay. Step by step. So we will start first by plotting these points. So the first point is negative. We said also, again, I will repeat, the first number, this is the ordered pair of the point. The first number refers to the x coordinates and the second point refers to the y coordinates. We said that the x coordinates that we will go right or left to plot the point. Second, we will go up or down. If the number is positive, we will go up. If the number is negative, we will go down. And here for the x coordinates, if the number is positive, we will go right. If the number is negative, we will go left. Let's go together. Start. So the first point, -3 and 2. So x equal to -3, so we will go, yeah, I hear somebody says left. Excellent. So we will go left till -3 and 2 up. 1, 2. Stop here. Okay. Next, 1, x equals to 1. We will go right 1, then y equals to 2, so we will go up. This is the second point. The third point, 1 and -2. So this is the third point. We can join them together. So we will join, okay, these points together, okay, line. So, okay. Now, the second. Now we need to join these 2 points together. Line, okay. Okay. Now we need to complete the square. So we will complete easy. So it will be like this. Okay. Then okay. Okay. Now we finish already drawing the square. Let's see, continue. He said, let's read the question again. He said, question 5. Okay. He said, the points -3, 2, 1, and 2, 1, and -3 are 3 corners of the square. We finish plotting these 3 corners and we complete drawing the square. Okay. Work out the coordinates of the 4th corner. This is the 4th corner which we didn't plot. So the coordinates for the 4th corner, first I'll start with x coordinates, so it will be -3, and the y coordinates equal to -2. So this is the coordinates -3 and 2. This is x and y. This is the coordinates for the 4th corner. Find the coordinates of the center of the square. Find the coordinates for the center of the square. Where is the center of the square? Okay, let's see together. How can we find? Where's the center? Yeah, we can find it without, yes, drawing, yes. Another. So this is the center of the square. We can find the coordinates for this point. We can start with the x coordinates, then y coordinates. So the x here, the x coordinates is -1, and y, we didn't go up or down, so the y coordinate equals to what? Yeah, here somebody says 0. Excellent. So this is the coordinates for the center. This is the coordinates for the center. Okay. Excellent. Center of the square. Excellent. Let's go for the next question. Let's go for the next question. Question 7. Question 7. Let's go for question 7 here. Okay. Let's start together solving the question. Okay. Let's read together. Question 7. Write down the coordinates of point F. What is the coordinates here of point F? Where is point F? Yes, here. This is point F. So we will write F. The coordinates is, for F is, yes, just a second, okay. For point F is, first we will see the x-axis, so the 3 and -2. So 3 and -2. So we finished the first question. So the coordinates of point F is, first we will start, we said that, with x coordinates, then with y. The first one is x equals to 3 and y equals to -2. The second, the midpoint of AH. Where is AH? AH, this one. Where's the midpoint? This one. This point, M. So midpoint of AH, the midpoint of AH is the midpoint of AH. The coordinates for that point M, this midpoint. So The x coordinate is, you will go down to find x equals to what? -1. And y equals to 1. Excellent. Let's go for the next question. The midpoint of AB. Where is AB? Yes, this is AB. This is the midpoint of AB. So the midpoint of AB equals to, first I'll start with the x coordinates that I will go down to find the x coordinates for that point is 0. Yes. And the y coordinates is 3. The next, the center of the octagon. Where's the center of the octagon? We can, it's here. Where's the center? Here. But we can find it by drawing the diagonal. Okay. Let's see together how to find the center. Okay. So it's obvious that the center of the octagon here, the center of the octagon is, this is the point of the center. So we will go to find x, yes, x equal to 2 and y equals to 1. So 2 and 1. Yes, we finish question 7. Thank you, grade 6. I hope that you understand these questions. And please, I hope that you understand the questions. And please, that we have a formative assessment on Wednesday. Please practice for on the same this lesson for plotting coordinates. Practice more and more. And please be sure that when you enter the exam, that you will have